Hello my lovely ravens and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel and today I have an unboxing for you. Jen and I, my friend Jen from Jen's Creative Creations, we decided to exchange parcels but in a different way this time. We had a budget and I ordered something for her in America and she ordered something for me in Australia. This is not the only parcel, but we'll get to that in a bit. Let's start unboxing this one. This comes from Witchcraft Do You Do, which is an Australian company. And yeah, let's get into it. I know my address is there, by the way. If you ever want to send me something, that's the address. Let's open it on up and see what's inside. By the way, before I forget to mention, she wanted botanicals and greens and stuff, and I wanted neutrals. So we shall see what is inside, I suppose. I love green, so there we have it. This will get used, by the way. I always love their packaging. This is tissue paper that can be used. I just removed the sticky tape that was on here and let's get inside now. I'll definitely be using this. See what Jen picked for me. So I said neutrals because I really like the look and feel of neutral things, and you can always add more color if you want. So first we have some neutral lace. It's about 1 meter of each, I think. A kind of florally one, even wider one, scalloped with flowers, and a very dusty pink open floral one. We have some ribbons in here with some embellishment on it. So this is a beige floral one with some shimmers on there. Sequins, I should say. And this is a green one with leaves and sequins. This is, I think, some sari silk. That's just a hank. I think that's what they call it on the website. Always handy for closures and tassels and that kind of thing. You can sew it onto a page. Very nice. This is just one of those thank you things that they sometimes put in there. Some sort of writing stencil. And this might also be a freebie. So we have some buttons here. And another little stencil. And a piece of a ruler. This is chipboard. A piece of vellum. A book plate. A tag. And a piece of scrap paper. And then I thank you for your order and what they have on their website. Ooh, charms. Never ordered charms from them before. What have we got? There's a coin in there. Queen Elizabeth II. A moon with a star. A heart. Another heart. A little clock. A leaf. Some kind of circle. Another spirally thing. Tiny little keys. I am going to put this in my miniature stash because I would love to use that in a miniature. I can't even show you. Tiny miniature keys on a key ring. And no, some kind of cross. This is a roll of textured stuff. It's very nice. You can use this as a stencil or just as a piece of tape, ribbon kind of situation. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's just paper, but it's very, very flexible. Yeah, I love the texture of it. Ooh, what's this? It seems to be like some kind of jewelry finding. It's gold with silver or white little crystally thingies. And I've never used anything like this in a junk journal before, so that would be interesting to see what I can do with that. Let me know in the comments down below if you have ever used anything like this before. This is a baggie with a postcard and just random bits and pieces. Here we have what looks like a postcard. Actually looks like a real postcard. That is really cool. And it is French. And then we have some vintage pieces here. You are always in my heart. Little heart. And a key and a button and some pearl bits and a star over there. A few more buttons. A metal thing. A key. This is an actual metal key. Roman numerals. More stars. I like those stars. A metal plate thing. I think this is a Tim Holtz tag. It says Journey. Crystal. Number 8. And a rusty safety pin. Love that. Beautiful pieces. What is this? They are, and they... Oh, I think this is wallpaper. That is very neat. Can you see the shine on that? Let's see what we've got. A green, ivory, beige. I'm moving it because it has some shimmer on there. Very pretty. We have some tickets. Always fun to have that. Some alteration tags. There's 5 in a pack. Cardboard string envelopes. Well, they are cool. So there's 6 in a pack. And they are basically just what they are. String envelopes. And yeah, good quality though. It's a very thick cardstock. Ooh, we have a paper pad. I had no idea they sold paper pads. The Nature's Compendium. We're gonna have a look at this one in a minute. And then we have a botanical piece of embellishments, I think. Let's take this out of the way and have a look what's inside here. We have some faux stamps here. They are stickers. There is a botanical little ephemera pack. And I would probably just put this as is in a journal. So this is all in between this. That's a really good idea. So that's a plate and that's stuck with some eyelets there. And all these papers are, it's like a paper pad. That's really clever. I like that idea. A piece of paper. Looks like a William Morris wallpaper. Some more tickets. And even more tickets with some foiling. These can be torn along the edges. It's got some perforation there. So I said neutrals for her, but I'm not mad about the greens and the nature element, to be honest, because I like botanicals as well. So it might end up being similar. Got beekeeping. Oh, it's double-sided. Gonna put it like this. Some newspaper and bees. Blue ledger paper. Some random images. More ledgers and botanical images. Butterflies. Is this the same image? There's the first one. Looks like it. So that repeats itself there. And again, so that's 3 times. And I think it repeats itself 4 times. But there's plenty of paper to work with, and it's double-sided. That's absolutely beautiful. Paper pad. Designed by Sam Poole. So that is it for the stuff from Witchcraft Do You Do. And now we're moving on to the Amazon packaging or packages, because she sent me a little bit more than just this parcel. So here we have the other 2 parcels, and let's open them. Let's get into this one first. A gift for you. What is this? It says sporadic green leaf. Let's just open it. Ooh, I think this, yeah, okay. This is, these are stickers. So the first bit, are these stickers too? Okay, I'm confused. Washi stickers for journaling, ephemera, sticker book, junk journal. Okay, so these are just stickers as they are, like opaque stickers, and these are like washi tape stickers that are already cut by the looks of it. And they are, as you can see, that is really cool. I also wonder, so once I've used up an entire sheet and you have all these cutouts, that would be cool as an overlay with all the different shapes of something, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that can definitely be reused in multiple ways. I love this. This is pretty cool. Let's see what's in this one. A gift for you. Oh my goodness. Decor molds from, it says redesign with Prima. I take that as Prima marketing, yeah. I love these molds. They are so beautiful. And they are such good quality. Thank you so much, Jen. This is beautiful for either miniatures or journals alike. This is absolutely stunning. How cool is that? Such good quality. So these are regal trimmings. So you can see them. And these are butterflies in flight. So there are some old stamps and butterflies there. Really, really beautiful. Thank you so much, Jen. Eek! All right. I think it's time to finish off this video. So let me put everything on the table and close it out. And this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and thank you again, Jen, for collaborating with me on this box swap. I hope you stay tuned for what we both create with the supplies that we both got sent. And now you might want to head off to Jen's channel to see what I sent her. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.